Your home's doors play a critical role in security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. Over time, doors may experience wear and tear that affects their functionality and appearance. Knowing when to replace your door can help you avoid security risks, high energy bills, and other issues. If you're a Columbia homeowner, here are the key signs that it's time to consider a door replacement. Difficulty opening or closing the door. One of the most obvious signs that you need to replace your door is when it becomes difficult to open or close. Sticking, jamming, or dragging along the floor can be caused by a variety of issues, including warping, swelling, or an improperly aligned frame. Warping or swelling. Columbia's humid climate can cause wooden doors to absorb moisture, leading to warping or swelling that makes them difficult to operate. Misaligned hinges. Over time, hinges can become loose or misaligned, preventing smooth operation. While minor issues may be fixable, severe misalignment may indicate the need for a new door. Drafts and air leaks around the door. If you feel drafts or notice air leaks around your door, it's a clear sign that your door isn't providing proper insulation. Poorly sealed doors allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Higher energy bills. Drafts force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to increased energy bills. Replacing your door with a new, energy-efficient model can reduce air leakage and improve insulation. Weather stripping deterioration. While replacing worn weather stripping can help in some cases, significant air leaks may require a new door to ensure optimal energy efficiency. Visible damage or deterioration. Take a close look at your door for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks, holes, rot, or rust. Damage not only affects your door's appearance but can also compromise its structural integrity and security. Cracks and splitting. Wooden doors are susceptible to cracking and splitting over time, especially in fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels. Cracks can weaken the door and reduce its effectiveness. Rotting wood. Moisture exposure can lead to wood rot, which compromises the strength of your door. If you notice soft spots or signs of decay, it's time to replace your door. Rust and corrosion. Metal doors can develop rust or corrosion, particularly in areas with high humidity or heavy rain. Rust weakens the door and affects its functionality. Outdated design and lack of curb appeal. Your entry door is one of the first things visitors notice about your home. An outdated or unattractive door can detract from your home's curb appeal and lower its overall value. Modern aesthetic. Replacing an old door with a modern design can instantly enhance your home's exterior and make a great first impression. Increased home value. Investing in a stylish, energy-efficient door can increase your home's resale value and appeal to potential buyers. Poor security features. If your door lacks modern security features, it may be time for an upgrade. Old doors with weak frames, worn-out locks, or no reinforced materials can pose a security risk to your home. Advanced locking mechanisms. New doors often come with multi-point locks, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass for added security. Peace of mind. Replacing your door with a more secure model can provide peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected against intruders. Excessive noise from outside. If you can hear traffic, neighbors, or other outside noises more clearly than you'd like, it may be due to an old or poorly sealed door. Modern doors are designed with better soundproofing capabilities to create a quieter indoor environment. Soundproofing technology. Upgrading to a door with noise-reducing features can enhance your home's comfort and tranquility. Moisture between glass pane. If your door has a glass insert and you notice condensation or fogging between the glass panes, it's a sign that the seal has failed. This reduces energy efficiency and can lead to other issues such as mold or mildew. Double or triple pane glass. Replacing your door with a model that features high-performance glass can prevent condensation and improve insulation. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself constantly repairing your door, whether it's fixing locks, hinges, or weather stripping, it may be more cost-effective to replace the door entirely. Frequent repairs can add up quickly, and a new door will provide long-term reliability and performance. Damage from pests. Pests like termites can cause serious damage to wooden doors. If you notice signs of pest activity, such as holes, sawdust, or weakened wood, it's essential to replace the door to prevent further damage. Final thoughts. Replacing your door can greatly enhance your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal while providing a more comfortable and functional living space. By recognizing the signs that it's time for a replacement, Columbia homeowners can make a smart investment that improves their quality of life and adds value to their property. When it's time for a door upgrade, consider working with professional installers to ensure a seamless fit and maximum benefits.